Hey, today we're going to be doing another mini sword, except this time, instead of using one of these nails, we'll be using this nail. Alright, let's go. Alright, now that we've gotten most of the flattening done, we're going to add a curve to this blade. Then I think we're going to flatten it a bit more, then we're going to go to the fine tuning. Alright, let's see. Now that we got the bend, it's just going to be a bit more flattening, then we're going to get to fine tuning. Now it's time for the fine tuning. Now it's time to wrap it. And here's the final product. Done.